96 out of 100 people who practice this fall asleep in under 2 minutes. Not meditation, not special breathing. This is the method the United States Navy developed for combat pilots, so they could fall asleep under any condition. In a cockpit with engine noise, on a training field, with a mission waiting the next morning. If it works there, it works here. The method was first documented in 1981 in a book called Relax and Win. It was created to solve a real problem. Combat pilots arrived at their missions with their nervous systems at the limit. Adrenaline, tension, uncertainty, and they still needed to sleep. The solution was not medication. It was a systematic relaxation protocol. Body first, mind second, in exactly that order. With consistent practice over 2 weeks, 96% of those who trained it could fall asleep in 2 minutes. In any situation, under any level of stress. This session guides you through the complete method. You don't have to remember anything. Just follow the voice. Lie down. Close your eyes. And follow exactly these steps. Step 1, the face. All the muscles of your forehead. Release them. Like taking off a mask you have been wearing all day. Your eyes. Completely closed. No tension. Your jaw. Let it drop slightly. Teeth apart. Tongue resting in your mouth. Your whole face. Still. No expression. No effort. Step 2, the shoulders. Let them drop as far down as they can go. Even further. Your right arm. The forearm. Your right hand. Release. Your left arm. The forearm. Your left hand. Release. Step 3, the chest. Exhale slowly. And as the air leaves, feel your chest sink. Don't control it. Just let it go with the breath. Step 4. The legs. Right thigh. Heavy. Right calf. Right foot. Left thigh. Left calf. Left foot. Everything completely still, completely heavy. Notice how that weight feels. It is not exhaustion. It is surrender. What the body feels when you finally tell it that it can stop. Pilots describe this sensation as sinking into their cockpit seat, as if gravity was claiming them. And in that moment, they knew sleep was seconds away. You are at that same point now. Every muscle has released. Every area of tension has given way. Now the mind. The method says, picture one of two scenes. Option 1. You're lying in a canoe on a calm lake. Blue, empty sky above you. Only the gentle movement of water beneath. Option 2. You are in a black hammock in a completely dark room. No sound. No light. Just you, suspended in nothing. Choose one. Stay there. Don't analyze it. Don't build it too much. Just be there, feeling the soft movement of the water, or the absolute stillness of the dark. No past, no tomorrow, only that image. If any thought comes, don't follow it. Repeat silently. Don't think. Don't think. Don't think. Release. The body already knows what to do. You have done your part. The body and mind sequence has been activated. The same sequence those pilots used. The same sequence that has been working for decades. You don't need to force sleep. You don't need to check if it's working. You don't need to do anything at all. The method is already running. Your nervous system has received the signal. The transition has already begun. The rest is not up to you. Sleeping. Sleeping.